Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. We're in TimberCrest 437 doing the fireplace. Right there you can see where we actually have the pilot light lit and you can have the flame flickering in the background. So pull this thing down if you're experiencing any problems and you don't have a pilot lit. We're going to go ahead and turn it off. We have the arrow right here. So right now we just lost our pilot, which is kind of the object. And so what we're going to do is you're going to have to go and to the point where the pilot is going to light. I'm going to use my other hand. And so you just twist it to the point, you got to depress just enough. So what you're going to have to do is push this in and press this at the same time. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have to push the button. Okay, now you got to hold it, and it's important to actually hold and depress this until the actual thermocoupler heats up enough for the unit to actually stay on. And then once it's on, we're going to push it from the pilot mode onto the on mode. Okay. And then we just twist counterclockwise. It's in the on mode. And then what we can do is just come back over here, just so you can see it working. Bring up the temperature just a little bit more. I thought I would have it high enough. Okay. And this will adjust the flame height.